Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw XRP from Binance to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Binance and want to move it to your Trust Wallet for better security or easier access, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have both your Binance account and Trust Wallet app set up and verified. Start by logging into your Binance account on their website or app. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. It's usually at the top or bottom menu. Here, you'll see all your assets, so find and select XRP from your spot wallet or funding wallet. Next, click on Withdraw next to XRP. Binance will prompt you to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the XRP wallet, and copy the receiving address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so paste it carefully into the Binance withdrawal form. Don't forget to double-check the address to prevent sending your XRP to the wrong place. That could mean losing it forever. Now, enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Keep in mind any network fees. For XRP, it's usually on the XRP Ledger network, so select that as the network type. Binance might show you the estimated fees up front, so factor that into your decision. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, sit tight. Withdrawals can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Trust Wallet app and refresh your XRP balance. You should see your funds there. In 2025, crypto processes are even faster, but always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. A quick tip. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so timing your moves is key. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.